Good morning. Last day today. Today I'm going to head home to Bali, which is over there. This is the north coast of Bali. That's the west coast of Bali. So the plan is I drive along the north coast, almost halfway into Bali on the north coast, then go up the mountains and go back down. Welcome to the road, that's the main road from Gilimanuk to Singaraja. Singaraja used to be the old capital of Bali. Singa meaning lion, tiger, sorry. Singa meaning tiger and Raja the king. And before the South came all busy and got the airport and all stuff. That was the old capital, or that was the capital, and here was the harbour, and where all the things happened back then. Because I don't gonna make it to Singaraja today all the way. That will be for another time. Before arriving in Singaraja, I will head south up into the mountains. Families enjoying the shadow as well and the sea view.
back into the winding mountain roads. This is a beautiful, beautiful road, especially on the way down, that will bring me across through Pupuan. Very nice area. Rice fields, fresh. On the slopes of Batu Karo, the second highest mountain in Bali. Getting ready for some sort of ceremony. Really nice decorated. And you can see it's getting misty. What are we, like 870 meters over sea level. And it does look little like rain, and the people having raincoats on. So, what does it mean? Does it mean that at the end of my trip I get to try out my rain gear? Well, I decided to play it safe. It's raining, not much, but a little bit, and enough to get the microphones wet and stuff, so I won't be able to talk much. I put on the rain gear just in case, so I drive through. Yeah, if I still can record something, you will see it. If not, I'm sorry, this last part just got too wet. All in all, was a great experience for my first solo trip through Java. Will be the first of many more to come. So yeah, if you want to see where those more to come take me, also yeah, at places in Bali. Of course, this will be day trips or just one night trips because it's close to my home. But yeah, anyway, if you would like to see that, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, comment if you can think about something, someplace in Bali or Indonesia where you say, hey, you have to go there, I would like to see this. Let me know in the comments. I will try to make it happen. Thanks so much for watching, for sticking around all these first episodes, and yeah, looking forward to see you on the next trip. Oh yeah, and every stop there is something to see. While I was talking, this man is climbing up the palm tree. Look at that.